Hi guys, and welcome to UZORCOMPUTERFIX. In this video we are going to be showing you how to replace the keyboard of HP Pavilion Dm4. Now the first thing to do is to remove the laptop battery. So we are going to be losing the screw for the RAM cover, which is this part. And then if you could look through, you can see that there is a sign of keyboard here. So he's going to lose that one, and also losing like all the screws where we're supposed to unscrew the keyboard. Now I think there's a keyboard there. So you turn the system. Careful with the hard drive. Easy. Flex, remember. Okay. Now for most keyboards, when they come as new, you usually have this blue stuff here. This blue stuff is to protect the keyboard flex from any form of damage. So you're expected that you remove the blue leather before attaching the keyboard to the system. Okay, continue.
Okay, this is one.
So this is like placing and making sure that the keyboard sits properly on its space. Okay. So this is it. We've been able to change this system's keyboard from an old faulty keyboard into a new one. So if you want to do a repair, you're within Zaria, Nigeria, Africa, you can always contact UZORCOMPUTERFIX. We're sure to give you the best fix in the best way we can. Thank you for watching UZORCOMPUTERFIX. Do make sure you like, subscribe, and share.